Hi guys! Welcome to Chasing Mastery in Data Analytics. Having the ability to analyze, model, and interpret data is one of the most important skills for an aspiring data scientist like you. In my video, I will be using R and SPSS to enhance the learning experience. I hope along the way it might help you to achieve your goals. I cannot wait to get started. Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you are very well. In this video, I will show you how to use SPSS and R programming. Let's start with R. R can be used in three ways: the R itself, R Studio, and R Cloud. The R Cloud can be accessed online. You can click or sign it up to access for free. And you can install the R Studio on your desktop and also the R. I will show you how to use the R by using the script. Let's go to File, New Script. Let's go to Window, vertically or horizontally, what you want. So I prepare vertically. For example, let's see X equals to 12 and Y equals to 13. So what is Z? X times Y. So you highlight the parameters and click Run. So the results you can view is in the console. I will copy this and I will show you how to use in R Studio. This is the R Studio. So we can start by clicking File, New File, and Text File, and we can paste the one that we have copied. And as you can see, there's no run selections or run icon because we haven't saved yet. So we click Save, and let's save for the name. Test. Let's say test1.rmd. and save. So watch if we click save. So as you can see, the run icon is already here. So you can click run and you can see in the console the answer in here. But the thing in the RMD or the R markdown, that you can start with the chunk. Let's say start with the barcode. The barcode are located on your keyboard in between the escape and tab button. Okay, let's say R and end with the barcode, and you can see it here. You can click it here, run, and you can see it also here. Okay. For more information of the RMD or the R markdown, you can click the help and you can type R markdown in here and you can see more information here. Okay, next I will show you how to use SPSS. Let's click SPSS. Okay, the SPSS has variable view and data view. We will say that the name of our variable is X, the other one is Y. So let's go to the data view. Let's say X is 12 and Y is 13. So you can compute the Z by simply going to transform and compute. Let's say let's add this one. Okay, let's say Q. Let's click X times click OK. So let's go to SPSS. Let's go to the data view. So the variable view, it's already here, but I want you to use the syntax. Let's go to File, New, and Syntax. Let's click Compute, and let's say z equals to x times y, and execute, and click Run. As you can see, the z is already here and in the variable view also. So guys, what do you prefer, the R or R Studio or the SPSS? As you can see that SPSS is more comfortable or easy to use, or let's say user friendly, because they are similar with the Excel. It's easy to manipulate, but I recommend you to use both because there are pros and cons in using SPSS and R. That's why I am using R and SPSS. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch my next video because it is very exciting, I promise.